So now let's see how we can apply the drop shadow effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and let's say, for example, bring in a star shape right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and click and drag right here. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in a shadow right here. So if I were to go around and click and hold right here on the left hand side, you can see that shadow is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, just like this, on the shadow right here, just like this, and then click and drag this out, then what happens is that I get a shadow right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So the shadow right here is quite blunt. It's quite soft right here, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and click and drag this around to wherever you want. So the shadow is very soft right here. That is because there is no fill color. So let's just go around and fill it out with the color right here. So let's just go around over here and then add in a fill color right here, just like this. And as I do that, you can see that there is a shadow right here. So if I were to go around onto the shadow tool, you can click and drag this out to actually go around and change the angle of the shadow to wherever you want. On the top right here, over here on the side, and you can go around onto the bottom right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go around and change around the shadow opacity right here, just like this, and go around and change the color of the shadow as well. And that is the effect that you get. So you can go around over here and change around the CMYK values of the shadow as well. And you can go around and choose color values just like this as well. So this is the shadow that you have right here, just like this. And then you can also go around and push this in and turn it into an inner shadow as well if you want. So you can see that now this is an inner shadow. You can make it an outer shadow right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead and pull this out and drag this out right here, just like this. So with the outer shadow, you can go around, drag it out according to how you want, just like this. And that is what you have, and that is how you can go around and change around the angle of the shadow as well, just like this. And you can go around, make the shadow more dark right here. You can pull this out right here and in as well, just like this. You can go around, change around the angle just by clicking on this, and you can also go around and change around the direction of the shadow by clicking on these buttons right here. And you can also add an inside right here. You can add in Gaussian blur. You can make it middle shadow right here. You can go for outside shadow. You can go for average shadow as well. And these are the effects that you have right here. You can also ultimately go around and then click on clear shadows as well to clear out the shadows. And this is how you can go ahead and then add in the shadow for the shape right here, just like this, as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.